Okay, I'm going to tell you how to get around how to use Khan Academy and find the courses that you need to work on. So when we come to Khan Academy, we may see a window like this. We'll press the X up there to close, and then we need to make sure that we're logged in. So up over here, you'll see login, and we need to make sure we log in every time. And when you log in, you'll log in with your TKT email account from Google. So you'll log in with Google and use your TKT account. The next thing after we log in, we need to go to courses, which is up over here, COURSES, courses, and we'll click there, and we can find the course that we want to work on. Most of our courses are in math, and we have early math and arithmetic at the top, up there, early math and arithmetic. So I'm going to choose arithmetic. I'm going to be working on arithmetic today. So after I get into arithmetic, the first thing I want to look for is to check my percentage. And my percent is over here. I can see I have 72% of arithmetic finished. And normally for us, we want to get about 95% or so. So I'm not there yet. If I go down, I can see the units, and for my units, I can see how much I have, and I can find ones that I'm low on. So normally, if it's new material for you, if this is new and difficult for you, you want to start at the top and move down. If there's a mastery challenge here, like this, and you're learning new material, you should do it. If this is a review class and you think you know almost everything, mastery challenge, you don't need to do that. So again, there's two ways to go with a course. The first way is I already know most of the math in the course. In that case, we want to use a method, a way to get through the course that's as fast as possible. And the other one is I'm really not sure about a lot of stuff in the course. And that one we want to use a different method, which pretty much go through Unit 1, addition and subtraction, Unit 2, multiplication and division. So I'm going to click into addition and subtraction. And here you'll see units. So every lesson has some practice. It has two parts. It has a learn part and a practice part. You can look at the practice part to see how well you're doing. And there are 4 levels. The bottom level, which is the black line at the bottom, means nothing. You didn't do anything. The next level, which is the square at the bottom, means you're familiar. That means you tried the practice and you got 70%, but you didn't get 100%. And the next rectangle, it means that you're proficient. So that means you're pretty good. So you took the practice and you got 100%. And you may say, wow, but that should mean that I'm perfect, right? But in Khan Academy, when you get 100% on the practice, you still have to go down and take a unit test or do the mastery challenge that we just looked at, which is that blue button above. So I can see that in this basic addition and subtraction, I've got 100%. And addition and subtraction within 20, I'm proficient. And I don't have that little crown on top, but I can't get that by practicing, so I don't want to work here. If I work here, it doesn't help me. I don't get that crown. I have to get it from a unit test or from the mastery challenge that we saw above. Okay. Here I have some problems. Here I'm familiar on 2. So I need to get those up from familiar to proficient. And I can do that by taking it again, try again. 2 ways. I can either try again, or I can go back and watch the videos of the things that I didn't know. Try to watch some examples of how to do the problems, and then come back and practice. So we want to find those things that are familiar. And over here we have lots of things where we practice. We're proficient. Okay, so these things that are proficient, we don't need to do them. We already got 100% on the practice, and we can't get better than 100%. So don't do them again. Where it says familiar, we want to do those again and get proficient. So after each little section, there's a quiz, and we can collect up to 400 mastery points. And 400 mastery points will be these 4 skills. So it's going to test you on 4 skills. Here's quiz 1. After quiz 1, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it says up to 400 points, but that's only if you're already at 0. Okay? So if you pass the quiz, then you can get mastered as well here. Okay? Here, so we got proficient again and proficient again. And here, multi-digit addition, I'm familiar. So this is the one that I need to go and practice. Need to practice to get that up to proficient, and proficient will get me to 80% on everything. And then if I take some unit tests or take some quizzes, then I can get up to 90 or 95 really easily. Okay, so this is how you find out what you need to work on. Hope that was clear. Good luck.